Well, December 11th, 2025. We have just pruned the fig tree. We'll see what the spring looks like. I did a lot of pruning, more than I did last year. I'm hoping for bigger figs, maybe, hopefully not as many. I got piles and piles of cut off limbs everywhere. She's in good shape for the shape she's in. You ready, firecracker? It's time to play ball too, Doobie. Let's go.